How to change your store currency in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your store currency in Squarespace. First, you can go to squarespace.com and then go ahead to log into your account. After that, you can choose the website you want to change the store, and then you will be in this dashboard. And then go ahead to the settings in the bottom left corner here. And then there are a lot of options here, but we're gonna go to selling here on the left side. You will see selling option here. And then as you can see, there is business information, payments, customer accounts, and others. So we're gonna go to payments. And then as you can see, in my case, I'm not connect the payments processor yet. So if you not connected yet, you can just connect it first, and then you can change the currency. But actually, you can just change it first. You can click the store currency here, and then as you can see, my currency right now is British pound sterling. So I'm gonna change it to USD. Let's say where is USD? Where is USD? I didn't see it, bro. And this one, okay. Then I'm gonna click save, and then yeah, and then forget to connect your payment processor. Either it's Stripe, PayPal, and Square. You can go ahead to the products. So we're gonna see my products. So it's products, and then let's see if it's changed to USD. So we're gonna click it and edit it, and let's see edit all. And as you can see, all my price it's converted to, I mean not converted, but it's changed to US dollar. So you need to adjust it because British pound sterling the value is, it's higher than the US dollar. So if it's 25 pound sterling, I'm gonna change it to maybe $28 US dollar, and then yeah, like that, you have to adjust it. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.